Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss the hidden transformation in India. It is very useful for CTET, UPSC and general awareness. India is undergoing a silent but massive transformation, not always visible in headlines, but deeply shaping society, economy and lifestyles. So, we will discuss the undercurrent transformation, which is not easily visible. So, this change is happening beneath the surface, driven by technology, education, aspirations, and shifting values. So, we are very much familiar or seeing every day that values are shifting. The young generations values are quite different from their older generation. So first is digital revolution in rural India. Earlier the digital world belonged mostly to cities. Now even small villages are adopting smartphones, digital payments, and online learning. So we are seeing QR codes in every village shops, small shops, little shops. Earlier, now cash-based economy, API, QR codes everywhere, limited internet, 4G and 5G access in rural areas. Traditional learning, YouTube, online courses, offline markets, e-commerce delivery in has been started. This shift is empowering rural youth to start businesses, learn skills online, and earn globally. Second is mindset transformation. That is more is important. Aspirations rising. India's young generation no longer wants to just survive. They want to achieve big, from job seekers to job creators, from government jobs only to startups, freelancing, content creation, from chalta hai attitude to performance and competition. So now everything is changing rapidly. This mindset change is creating a new entrepreneurial culture. Third is the women's silent revolution. A major transformation is happening in women's participation. Before now, mostly household roles, business, jobs, social leadership, limited education, STEM, entrepreneurship, hiding talent, showcasing talent online. So all are changing. Women led self help groups and digital entrepreneurship are changing family economics and confidence and lifestyle, thought, and leadership of women in home. So they are not only homemakers, but they are becoming home changers also. Fourth is economic transformation through startups. India has moved from a service based economy to an innovation driven economy. Over 100 plus unicorn startups, young entrepreneurs from tier 2 to tier 3 cities, AI, fintech, edtech, health tech booming everywhere. The world now sees India as a hub of talent and innovation. With the social values shifting, new values are slowly replacing older ones. Old values, family stature, now it has become individual identity. A stable career has taken or changed to risk-taking career. Tradition only was not there. Now it is tradition plus modernity. Early marriages is not there, but focus on career first. This change is creating a modern yet culturally rooted India. Sixth is transformation of consumption patterns. People are spending differently from savings to investment culture, from basic needs to lifestyle and experiences, from offline shopping to online shopping and purchases. Businesses are adapting to the new consumer mindset. Why this transformation is hidden, not open, because it is not always visible in GDP charts or political speeches. It is happening, just happening in homes. in mindset, in daily habits, in digital behavior. This transformation is creating a new India from the inside. Final insight, India's hidden transformation is not just about technology or economy. It is about people thinking differently, acting differently, and expecting more from life. It is the rise of a new self-confident India that wants to grow, innovate, and lead, not just to follow. Thank you. If you like the video, please share and subscribe.